Hello, class. So this is week 6 in keyboarding, and I thought I would make another word video, although I have made a few for you to go back and reference. I just thought that this would make things a little easier on you as you work today. So I'm going to go to week 6, which is where our assignment is located, and I'm moving a little quickly because you should be able to do some of this on your own. So our main two assignments this week are formatting review and online behavior columns. And the reason that I did not post that third assignment this week is because these are a little more lengthy. So today, Monday, we're going to do this formatting review. So let's click on formatting review and open that document up. And we know that we want our screen to be split. So if you are on a Chromebook, you can hit that Alt button and the bracket and it will split the screen for you. But I am on a desktop computer, so I'm going to do that a little differently. Alright, so here is my formatting review, and then over here I'm going to pull up my office.com, and I'm already logged in. So now I'm going to open a new Word document. As it says, I'm going to click New Blank Document. It wants me to save this as Format XX. So if you're working along with me, you're just going to say File, Save As again, and then Format, and then the XX are your initials, so LW. And this has not been working for me, but let's see if I can save it to my keyboarding folder. Ah, there we go. Okay, so here are my folders. I'm going to find keyboarding and I'm going to hit save. So now I am right here on step 3. I want to insert a header with my name, date, and the file name. So I'm going to go to insert, header, and then my name. The date today is 9/28/20, and the file name is format with my initials. Okay, now I want to key, it tells me to key the following paragraph using word wrap. And word wrap basically just means that you're going to type without pressing enter. So instead of hitting enter after I type this word add, I'm just going to let it wrap over on its own. Word does that for us automatically. So Microsoft Word is a processing software. You can easily format text in Microsoft Word to add visual organization, emphasis, and structure. I apologize for being a little distracted. You can change the font, size, style, color, spacing, and vertical position of text, and add effects such as underlining. You can also control spacing and indentation, add bullets and numbers, and set alignment. Like I said, I apologize for being distracted. I have other people in the room and I get distracted easily. So, okay, so here's my paragraph. I've typed that like it asked me to do in step 4. On step 5, it asked me to make the following changes. So, bold the word processing software. Okay. So, bold word processing software. I did not type the word. So, there's my mistake. Okay, so I want to bold this. So, I'm going to highlight it, and then on my home tab, I'm going to click bold. Select the entire paragraph and change the font to size 14. Okay, 14. With the paragraph still selected, change the font to Segoe Print. So here we go. Now I'm going to look for that. And the easiest way really is to just type it in there. And then you can click on the one that you want. So now I've got Segoe Print. With the paragraph still selected, center align the paragraph by clicking the center button. So I'm going to go here, center align. Okay. Now I want to change the line spacing, so to do that I'm going to click here. Yours may be in a different spot depending on the size of your screen, but you're going to go to line spacing and line spacing options, and it tells me 0, 0, and single. Okay, and I'm just going to check to make sure all that's correct. Okay. Alright, now it wants me to hit enter twice. So I'm at the end of my paragraph. Make sure that your cursor is right here behind your words. Enter, enter. Okay, so now I've hit enter twice. Key the next paragraph using word wrap, and just you guys will not be able to do this, but I'm going to copy my paragraph just because I can, but you guys won't be able to do this because it's a PDF, so you actually need to type your paragraph. And then you're going to make the following changes. So I'm going to find the word italicize in the last sentence. So it's right here, and I'm going to italicize that. I'm going to change my font size to 14 again, which we're already at 14, so that's good. I'm going to change the font though to Jokerman this time. So let me type in Jokerman. It will change the font for me. I want to change the color to any shade of blue. So font color blue. There we go. With the entire paragraph selected, right align the paragraph. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to go right align. Now I want to change the line spacing again, so I'm going to go back to line spacing options, and I'm already set at 0 and single, so okay. Now I'm going to hit enter again, and it tells me to change my font to 12-point Cavallini. So 12-point Cavallini. Oh, Lini. Okay. And click the left align button to left align my text. So this is my left align. Okay, so that means my cursor moves over here, so I'm going to start there. And then I'm going to use the star bullet once I get down to those bullets. So the first thing that I'm going to type is properties that you can apply to text include, and then you don't have to type the part where it says 12 points. Now I hit enter to go down a line because it did not tell me to use word wrap, and now I'm going to use the star bullet, and I'm going to type these bullets. So text formatting effects, which include italics, underline, bold, or strike through. Okay, now it's asking me to change this to, match the formatting changes. So I've got this word italics here, and I want it to be italicized because that's the word I'm talking about. My underline, I'm going to underline it. My bold, I'm going to bold it. And then here's this strike through. This is something we haven't really done, but if I click right here, here's the strike through option. So I'm going to click strike through, and it's going to put my line through there. And then you're just going to go down through here, and you're going to type each bulleted list, and you're going to make the changes as necessary, just like I just did. So let's just pretend like I've typed the rest of this list. Okay, so you'll have all these bullets. Oh, let me show you this. This one says that we need to raise or lower text, so I'm going to just type raise or lower text. And my raise button is going to be the same thing we did for strike through. We're going to click the dots, and we're going to click superscript and see how that's going to put it up top. And then to lower text, we're going to hit that button again, and we're going to click subscript, and that's going to put it down at the bottom like this little blue 2 is. So now I've raised and lowered my text. The next one talks about highlight. So to highlight my text, I'm going to let me type that word real quick. So I'm going to highlight it with my mouse, with my cursor, and then I'm going to come up here, click the little dots again, and click highlight, and then it's just going to highlight it for me. Okay, so then I've got another one right here. So you're going to type this, and you're just going to use your star bullet again. So to do that, I'm going to go down, and I'm actually want it to look similar. So I'm going to hit enter again, and it's going to take that bullet away, and then I'm going to type properties that you can apply to entire paragraphs include. Okay, and now see how it highlighted it? I don't want that because I just want the word highlighted done. So I'm going to highlight that again, and I'm gonna put no color for my highlight. And now I'm going to hit down, and once again I'm going to engage that star bullet, and then you're going to type the rest of that. And then you want to make sure that your let's see, page doesn't go over a page long, and I've got 5 bullets. So as you can see, you still have quite a bit of space left. So if you have extra space down here, that means you did something wrong. Make sure it's just 1 page long. And then we're going to go and we're going to submit into Schoology. So to submit in Schoology, I'm going to hit this share button, copy link, and then I'm going to go back to my assignment in Schoology, and right here you're going to click submit. And when you do that, it's gonna, I can't do that because I'm the teacher, so I have a different view, but you're gonna hit the submit button and it's gonna pop up a little box right here in the middle of your screen. You need to hit create, and then you can paste this link and then submit it. If you know how to turn it in a different way, that's totally fine. That's just my suggestion. So this is your work for today. Once you're finished, make sure that you turn it in, and you've got some free time after that. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you're having any trouble at all, just let me know. We may our agenda may change a little this week depending on how long these items take us, but my goal is for you to have this one completed and turned in by Tuesday at the end of class. So if you finish it on Monday, then on Tuesday you're just going to work in typing club. If you don't finish it on Monday, then on Tuesday you are going to be working on this assignment and trying to finish it up before the end of the day on Tuesday. All right, thanks class. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen and completing your work in a timely manner. All right, bye.